Well, just got home from a meal. Dip seems a little suspicious. Dip, what's going on here? Seems to be some kind of crime committed. And I think we've found suspect number one. Kaylee, what happened in the computer room? Kaylee? Kaylee, what happened in the computer room? Come here. Kaylee, come. Come here. No, you gotta come over here. Come. Come all the way. Show me what you did. Kaylee, I want you to come. Kaylee, you have to show me what you did. Kaylee. All right. Dip. Were you part of this, Dip? Somebody got into the Miracle Grow. Kaylee, why would you even want the Miracle Grow? Huh? What did you do? You are a guilty dog.